My name is Jenna. I lived with my 2 daughters. Emma was 8. Lily was 6. We lived in a small apartment. It had 2 rooms. The walls were thin. The paint was old. My life was not always like this. I used to have a good life. My husband Tom was a rich man. We had a big house. We had nice cars. I didn't need to work. I stayed home with my girls. We were happy. But things changed. Tom lost all his money. His business failed. He went bankrupt. He could not pay his debts. Because of this, he went to jail. Now I was alone with my daughters. My parents were dead. I had no siblings. No one could help me. I had to work. I had to feed my girls. Every day was the same. I woke up at 5. I got the girls ready for school. Then I went to work at their school. I was a janitor there. I cleaned the floors. I cleaned the bathrooms. I worked until 3. Then I went home with my daughters. I made a quick meal. Rice and beans. Sometimes eggs. Then I left again. I worked at a restaurant until midnight. I washed dishes. My hands were always red and sore. I came home. I made dinner again. I fed the girls. I helped them with homework. Then I fell into bed. I was so tired. Every single day. I missed Tom so much. I missed my old life. I missed having time with my daughters. I missed sleeping. I missed being happy. Tom was a good man. He made a mistake. But he was not a bad person. I visited him sometimes. But it was hard. The jail was far away. I could only go on Fridays. That was my only day off from the restaurant. One Friday morning came. I was going to see Tom. I felt happy. I missed him so much. I got on the bus. The bus was slow. But I didn't care. I was going to see my husband. Then I saw something. A little boy was standing on the street corner. He was crying. He was wearing nice clothes. A blue jacket. Clean shoes. He looked lost. I stopped. I looked at my watch. I needed to catch the next bus. Or I would be late. I would miss my time with Tom. But the boy was crying so hard. I felt sad for him. I walked over to him. "Are you okay?" I asked. "Are you lost?" He looked up at me. His face was red. Tears were running down his cheeks. "I can't find my mom and dad," he said. "I don't know where they are." "It's okay," I said. "I will help you." "What is your name?" "Daniel," he said. "Okay, Daniel. Where did you last see your parents?" He pointed down the street. "At the big store," he said. I took his hand. We walked to the store. My watch said I had 20 minutes. The next bus would leave soon. But I couldn't leave this child alone. We went inside the store. I asked people if they saw his parents. No one knew. Daniel cried more. I felt so sad for him. Then I heard a woman screaming.
"Daniel! Daniel!"
A woman and a man ran toward us. They grabbed Daniel. They hugged him so tight. The woman was crying. The man was crying too.
Thank you.
The woman said to me,
Thank you so much. We were so scared. We thought we lost him forever.
I smiled. But my heart felt heavy. I looked at my watch. The bus was gone. I missed it. The next bus would come in 3 hours. Too late. I would not see Tom today. He would wait for me. He would wonder where I was. He would feel sad. My eyes filled with tears.
Why are you crying?
The woman asked.
You saved our son. You should be happy.
I am happy I could help, I said. But I missed my bus. I was going to see my husband. It is the only day I can see him. Now I can't go. He will be so sad.
Where is your husband?
The man asked. I didn't want to say it. People always judged me. But I was too tired to lie. He is in jail, I said quietly. They looked surprised. But they didn't look mean.
Why is he in jail?
The woman asked softly. I told them my story. I told them about Tom. About the bankruptcy. About the debt. About how I worked 2 jobs. About my daughters. About how tired I was. About how much I missed my old life. The woman started crying again.
How much money does he need?
She asked.
To get out, to be free?
$50,000, I said. It is so much money. I will never have it. I save a little each month. But it is not enough. It will take many years. The man and woman looked at each other. They didn't say anything for a long time. Then the man said,
You saved our son. You gave up seeing your husband to help us. We want to help you. We will pay the money. We will get your husband out.
I couldn't believe it. No, I said. That is too much. You don't need to do that.
Yes, we do.
The woman said.
You are a good person. We want to help you.
I started crying. I couldn't stop. They were really going to help me. It took 2 weeks. But they paid all the money. Tom came home. I held him so tight. Emma and Lily cried with joy. We were a family again. Tom worked so hard after that. He found a new job. He worked every day. He saved money. He was careful this time. He learned from his mistakes. 2 years passed. Our life got better. Tom got a better job. We moved to a nicer apartment. Then we bought a small house. Nothing big. But it was ours. I didn't need to work 2 jobs anymore. I stayed home with my daughters. I cooked good meals. I helped with homework. I wasn't tired all the time. I was happy again. I learned something important that day. When you help others, even when it is hard, good things can happen. Sometimes the smallest act of kindness can change your whole life. The end. Do you think Jenna was just lucky, or did she get help because she was a kind person? Tell us your opinion in the comments. For more stories like this, subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the like button to support us. Lesson of the day. Bankrupt. Bankrupt means that a person or company has no money and cannot pay their debts. Examples from the story. His business failed. He went bankrupt. More examples. The company was bankrupt and had no money to pay the workers. The restaurant went bankrupt last year.